guys, I just filmed this look, and if you want to see how, just keep watching. First, I take my Maybelline Brightening Creamy Concealer, and I just put that all over my lids and blend it out. Then I'm going to go into my ABH Soft Glam Palette and take this rustic color and put it all over my crease, making sure I'm blending it out using the windshield wiper technique. Then I'll dip into my LA Colors Shady Lady Palette with that one color that I've obviously hit the pan with, and I'm going to put that almost right on top of where I put the rustic, but just a little bit lower, and I'm going to blend it out. Then I'll go in with this almost aquamarine color here, and then I'll just put it right under that other blue to make it look like a gradient effect. Fine time to tell you guys, I am wetting my brushes with these colors so that they will pop more. Then I'm going to go back into the ABH and grab this bronze color, and I'm going to put it right between both of these blues. And I'm going to pretty much line this here as if I'm going to add a winged liner. Make sure you're taking your time with this because you do not want to mess up and start all over. Practice makes perfect, guys. I'm just going to touch up this dark blue before I line the rest. After that, I'm going to take a regular black eyeliner and I'm going to line my eyes and wing it, but I'm going to take that wing and take it down to the bottom half of my eyes too. Then just going to go in with the regular black eyeliner and get my waterline. Then I'm going to take that gold again and go right on top of the black. Also dragging that underneath the eye, and then I'm going to take it and put it on my inner corners as well. Then I'm just going to finish up with some Ardell Wispie lashes and then a little bit of mascara, and I'm going to also take that dark blue color and drag it under the eye as well. Then I'm just going to finish up the face with some concealer, some highlighter, some blush, bronzer, all of that. Will be contouring my nose as well, but this is something that I am just now starting to practice on, so it might not be perfect. Then I'm going to finish with lining my lips in my Rimmel London lip liner in the shade Wine. And on top of that, I'm going to put my Wet n Wild Catsuit, whatever they want to call it. And I'm going to put that right on top, and it's in the shade Video Vixen. And I did add some gloss on top because I'm not really a huge fan of matte colors, but after that, you are finished.
You keep listening to what all your friends say. Don't listen to them, they tryna take your place. I can make you a believer. I can make you a believer. I can make you a believer. I can make you a believer, baby. Baby, when I'm with you, I don't take any phone calls. Cause when I'm with you, I just turn on my phones. I can make you a believer. I can make you a believer. I can make you a believer. I can make you a believer, baby. Baby. You keep listening to what all your friends say. Don't listen to them, they tryna take your place. I can make you you a believer. I can make you a believer. I can make you a believer. I can make you a believer, baby. Baby, when I'm with you, I don't take any phone calls. Cause when I'm with you, I just turn on my phones.